Welcome back everyone. Today we are diving into the world of truck bed protection with our list of the 7 best roll-on bed liners for truck protection. Whether you are hauling heavy loads or just want to safeguard your truck bed from scratches and wear, a quality bed liner is essential. Join us as we explore these top choices to help you make the best decision for your truck. At the first position of our list, we have HERCULINER HCL1B8 Roll-On Bedliner Kit. The HERCULINER HCL1B8 Roll-On Bedliner Kit is a popular choice among truck owners looking for durable protection. This DIY kit includes everything you need to apply a tough, textured polyurethane coating to your truck bed. The liner is designed to resist scratches, rust and everyday wear and tear, providing long-lasting protection. Quality is a standout feature of the HERCULINER kit. The polyurethane formula adheres strongly to metal surfaces, creating a rugged barrier against impacts and abrasions. It dries quickly to a textured finish that enhances grip and minimizes cargo slippage. Installation is straightforward, with the roller and brush included in this kit ensuring even application. Durability is another key advantage of the HERCULINER bed liner. It withstands extreme weather conditions and UV exposure without fading or cracking, maintaining its protective properties over time. The liner is also resistant to chemicals commonly found in automotive environments, ensuring comprehensive protection for your truck bed. For truck owners seeking a reliable and affordable bed liner solution, the HERCULINER HCL1B8 Roll-On Bedliner Kit delivers excellent durability and ease of application, making it a top choice in the market.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
At number 2, we have Gorilla Truck Bed Liner Roller. The Gorilla Truck Bed Liner Roller offers a specialized approach to applying bed liner coatings with precision and ease. Designed for use with roll-on and spray-on bed liners, this roller features a durable handle and a textured foam roller head that ensures smooth, consistent application. Usability is a feature of the Gorilla Truck Bed Liner Roller. Its ergonomic design allows for comfortable headliner and control, reducing fatigue during application. The foam roller head evenly distributes the bed liner material, ensuring a seamless finish that enhances both protection and aesthetic appeal. Durability is another standout aspect of the Gorilla Truck Bed Liner Roller. Constructed from high-quality materials, it withstands the rises of frequent use without compromising performance. The roller head maintains its texture over time, ensuring reliable performance through multiple applications. For truck owners looking to achieve professional-grade results with their bed liner application, the Gorilla Truck Bed Liner Roller offers unmatched usability and durability, making it an essential tool in your truck maintenance arsenal. Next up at number 3, we have Husky Liner's Custom Bed Liner. The Husky Liner's Custom Bed Liner is tailored to fit a truck's specific make and model, providing a precise and secure fit that enhances both protection and aesthetics. Made from a durable polyurethane material, this bed liner guards against scratches, dents, and UV damage, ensuring long-term preservation of your truck bed's integrity. Design and fitment are standout features of the Husky Liner's bed liner. Each liner is custom molded to match the contours of your truck bed, providing complete coverage and a seamless look. The material is flexible yet robust, allowing it to withstand heavy cargo and harsh weather conditions without cracking or fading. Quality craftsmanship ensures that Husky Liner's bed liners meet rigorous standards for durability and performance. The polyurethane material resists chemical spills and retains its protective properties over time, making it ideal for daily use and outdoor adventures. For truck owners seeking a tailored solution that combines superior protection with a perfect fit, the Husky Liner's custom bed liner stands out as a top choice, ensuring peace of mind and lasting value for your vehicle. The number 4 position is held by RAPTOR Black Spray Truck Bed Liner. The RAPTOR Black Spray Truck Bed Liner is a premium choice for truck owners looking to achieve professional-grade results with a spray-on application. This durable polyurethane coating provides unmatched protection against abrasions, rust, and impacts, while also enhancing the appearance of your truck bed. Effectiveness is a key feature of the RAPTOR Bed Liner. Its high-build formula creates a textured surface that improves grip and prevents cargo from shifting during transport. The liner is UV stable and resistant to fading, ensuring that it maintains its deep black finish even after prolonged exposure to sunlight. Durability is another standout aspect of the RAPTOR bed liner. It forms a robust barrier that resists scratches and dents, extending the lifespan of your truck bed. The polyurethane material flexes with the natural movements of your vehicle, preventing cracks and peeling over time. For truck owners who demand uncompromising durability and performance, the RAPTOR Black Spray Truck Bedliner offers superior protection and aesthetic enhancements, making it an ideal choice for DIY enthusiasts and professional installers alike. The number 5 position is dominated by Puermto Truck Bed Mats Bedliners. Puermto Truck Bed Mats Bedliners provide a versatile and cost-effective solution for protecting your truck bed from scratches and dents. Made from heavy-duty rubber, these mats offer a durable barrier against impacts and abrasions, ensuring reliable performance in various weather conditions. Quality is a standard feature of Puermto truck bed mats. The rubber material is thick and resilient, providing cushioning and support for your cargo while safeguarding the underlying truck bed surface. The mats are designed to be flexible yet steady, allowing them to conform to the contours of your truck bed for a snug fit. Usability is another key advantage of Puermto truck bed mats. They are easy to install and remove, making them convenient for truck owners who frequently load and unload cargo. The mats can be trimmed to fit specific truck bed sizes, ensuring a customized fit that maximizes coverage and protection. For truck owners seeking a practical and durable solution to protect their truck bed, Puermto Truck Bed Mats Bedliners offer exceptional quality and versatility, making them a smart investment for maintaining the integrity and resale value of your vehicle. Next up, number 6, we have the OUSUWO All-Weather Truck Bedliner. The OUSUWO All-Weather Truck Bedliner is designed to withstand the toughest conditions while providing reliable protection for your truck bed. Made from durable PVC material, this liner guards against scratches, dents, and UV damage, ensuring long-term preservation of your vehicle's cargo area. Design and functionality are standard features of the OUSUWO Bedliner. It features a textured surface that enhances grip and prevents cargo from sliding during transport. The PVC material is flexible yet robust, allowing it to conform to the contours of your truck bed for a seamless fit. Quality craftsmanship ensures that OUSUWO bedliners meet stringent standards for durability and performance. The PVC material is resistant to chemical spills and retains its protective properties over time. The OUSUWO All-Weather Truck Bedliner stands out as the top choice, providing peace of mind and long-lasting value for your vehicle. Lastly, at number 7, we have Rust-Oleum Professional Grade Truck Bedliner. The Rust-Oleum Professional Grade Truck Bedliner is engineered to deliver professional quality results with a roll-on application. This durable epoxy coating provides superior protection against abrasions, rust, and impacts, while also enhancing the appearance of your truck bed. Effectiveness is a standard feature of the Rust-Oleum Bedliner. Its high build formula creates a textured surface that improves grip and prevents cargo from shifting during transport. The liner is UV stable and resistant to fading, ensuring that it maintains its appearance and protective properties over time. Durability is another key advantage of the Rust-Oleum Bedliner. It forms a resilient barrier that withstands heavy use and harsh weather conditions without cracking or peeling. The epoxy material flexes with the natural movements of your vehicle, ensuring long-lasting performance and protection. For truck owners who require reliable protection and enhanced durability, the Rust-Oleum Professional Grade Truck Bedliner offers unmatched performance and aesthetic appeal, making it an excellent choice for DIY enthusiasts and professional installers alike. And that concludes our review of the 7 best roll-on bedliners for truck protection. Each of these products offers unique features and benefits to suit different preferences and needs. We hope this guide has been informative and helps you make an informed decision to your truck's maintenance and protection needs. Stay tuned for more expert reviews and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching.